Today was a highly anticipated day for the cryptocurrency markets, and in this video I want to talk to you guys about the recent comments from the Fed Chair Jerome Powell and its effect on Bitcoin and the altcoins. But specifically, I'll focus in on Jasmy token in this video and how it might fall down to the 2-cent level. 0.020 is on the table for this coin because of what's going on with Bitcoin right now, but I do lean bullish, not only for Jasmy token, but the entire altcoin market, as we heard Fed Chair Jerome Powell come out today and actually say very bullish things. But the market's coming down. Why? What is happening and what are my targets? I'm going to talk about it in this video. So smash your like button, subscribe to the channel, and welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. My name is Crypto Kip, and I want to get into this. Now, Bitcoin today is breaking lower. Earlier, we were at $66,800, and now $64,000. Bitcoin is down 2.3% today, which is actually quite a big deal. Some of the top losing tokens right now, you'll see that Jasmy is amongst one of the biggest losers. If you're wondering why this is, I'm going to talk to you guys about it in a second. But first, note, Fed Chair Jerome Powell came out and made these statements. Let's listen in very, very closely.
Whether the totality of the data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risks are consistent with rising confidence on inflation and maintaining a solid labor market. If that test is met, a reduction in our policy rate could be on the table as soon as the next meeting in September.
That is a big deal, and that is very bullish, and you might even say dovish. Dovish is a term to say essentially that things are looking good, right? If he was hawkish, he's scared, he's got to do more policy, more manipulation of sorts. Manipulation might not be the right word, but hopefully you know what I'm saying there. Essentially, if he's dovish, that means that he can cut rates, and the markets are looking for the Fed to cut rates sooner rather than later. And there was not really a good chance that the rates were going to get cut today, but there's been a lot of anticipation that they could get cut in September. And now we see major publications like the New York Times coming out and saying the Fed suggested that rate cuts could come soon. You just saw the clip of them saying that. That could happen, guys. That would prove to be very, very bullish. And what we're seeing today is the stock market is surging, right? Dovish Fed comments. Dovish is what you want for the market. So if you look at the S&P 500, this is up today. If you look at Jasmy token, you will see it is down today. And if you guys want to trade Jasmy token, whether you want to buy it on the spot market or you want to leverage trade it, you can sign up using our link pinned in the comments for you guys for Blowfin. If you sign up and deposit $2,000, you get $500 or $300 for free, up to $5,000 of sign-up bonuses if you want to trade this. But be careful, because there is a chance that Jasmy does come down to the 0.02 cent level. And usually I don't really like these predictions from publications like CoinGape, but is this 0.02 cent level on the table? Well, let's take a quick peek at it here. So first off, this is the Bitcoin chart. I want to highlight Bitcoin for you first before I look at the Jasmy chart, because Jasmy is going to move based on how Bitcoin moves for the most part. Now, Bitcoin hit the top of this wedge and it found resistance, even though the Fed came out and was dovish and talking about the potential for a Fed rate cut, which would prove to be bullish. We found resistance here just recently in this new weekly candle that we have, and we are coming back down, and there's a chance that Bitcoin slips down to the $60,000 price level. If Bitcoin slips lower, then there's a good chance that altcoins could slip lower as well, and Jasmy is definitely trying to find some new legs up, but we still have time. We have to wait for Bitcoin. If you look at where our next level could be, it is easily back down to about this 0.02 cent level. I do agree. As you can see, this is kind of back down to essentially the breakout point, right, which comes lower along with this trend line. So we basically come back down to this top trend line, which is right around that 0.02 cent level, possibly slightly below that to 0.019 and change. Let's see exactly how that shakes out. But I do believe that if we can see Jasmy coin break above 4 cents, really above this 5 cent level right here off this candle that I'm looking at right here, we can see a significant move to the upside. I've already talked to you guys quite a bit about how I believe we could see Jasmy at 30 cents in a hurry in this bull market when the altcoins market starts booming again. And at one point, Jasmy was at $5. Maybe we even get to that level. But the key is, guys, is that we see this total market cap break out to the upside. And if you look at the wedge happening for this total market cap, just like we did see for the Jasmy token a little while ago, which we predicted exactly on this channel. You saw this wedge. We measured the potential breakout. It happened, and we went exactly up to that point. Now, I'm looking for the total market cap for crypto to do the same, and if it does, measuring the mouth of this move, and we break out, we could see this overall market cap come to 3.5 trillion, and then that would send the price of Jasmy likely up to 5 cents and then 30 cents and on its way to $1 or who knows, even $5. But in the meantime, as Bitcoin comes down, do be aware that a 0.02 cent level could be happening for Bitcoin. We've got some major economic data coming out tomorrow that could affect the markets, could prove to be bullish for the markets, and we have a monthly candle that is closing for Bitcoin. If you look at the monthly candle right now for Bitcoin, it's telling you guys, well, it wants to close green, but we have 2 hours and 56 minutes left. This candle will be closed by the time it's recording. If this candle closes green, guys, it could leave some room for potentially another green candle afterwards. But the most important thing is more so really honestly on the daily time frame and looking at our movement in this range. You're going to want to see Bitcoin hold its floor at $60,000. That way, worst case scenario for Jasmy in the short term is also this 0.02 cent level. Now, this 2 cent level. Now, if Bitcoin breaks lower, we have to talk about other levels for Jasmy. I don't even want to talk about this 0.07 cent level all the way down here. We need Bitcoin to hold above $60,000. There are a lot of bullish things happening for cryptocurrency right now, and I see no reason why we should not go off to the races as the news that was reported by all the mainstream media today and from Jerome Powell himself. Things are looking good for the U.S. economy, and we are looking like we're going to get those rate cuts soon, which would prove to be bullish historically for the traditional markets and likely should be bullish for the crypto markets as well. Since the Bitcoin halving, we still have not seen a new all-time high for Bitcoin. That should be coming if history is any indication of what comes next. So smash the like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel. That's all I have for you in this one. Sign up for Blowfin using our link pinned in the comment section and in the description down below. Don't forget to DCA HODL. And of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Later.